GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate waterproof action camera. If you're considering upgrading your action camera setup, the GoPro Hero 13 Black might just be the leap you've been waiting for. In this comprehensive and engaging video, we take a deep dive into everything that makes the Hero 13 Black a standout in GoPro's already legendary lineup. Design and build quality. Right off the bat, the Hero 13 Black impresses with its robust and refined design. Your video highlights its compact form factor and rugged construction, clearly built to endure intense adventures. The touchscreen is responsive, even with wet fingers, and the controls feel intuitive. Whether you're biking, snowboarding, or diving, the camera's grip and feel are top tier. Waterproof and adventure-ready. This review does a fantastic job showcasing the camera's waterproof capabilities. Up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without housing. Real-world water footage captured in the video is crisp, colorful, and stable. Whether it's surfing or snorkeling, the Hero 13 Black handles moisture and movement like a champ, and you demonstrate that convincingly. Video quality and stabilization. The Hero 13 Black delivers truly cinematic video. Shooting in 5.3K 60 and 4K 120, the footage looks phenomenal. Your side-by-side comparisons and real-life shots do an excellent job showing the improvement in clarity, dynamic range, and color vibrancy over previous models. The Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization is a game-changer, and your slow-motion demos and action sequences beautifully emphasize just how steady this camera keeps even the bumpiest footage. Audio and performance. Audio often gets overlooked in action cameras, but your review does well to spotlight GoPro's enhancements. With front and rear microphones and wind noise reduction, audio is noticeably clearer, an essential feature for vlogging or narrating on the go. You also cover the improved GP3 processor, which results in faster boot-up times, smoother touch interactions, and lower lag during high-resolution recordings. Battery life and mods. Battery life is always a concern for action camera users, and your breakdown of the new Enduro battery performance is spot on. Despite demanding shooting conditions, the Hero 13 Black holds up better than its predecessors. You also explore the modular accessories, like the Media Mod and Max Lens Mod, which expand functionality and are presented with clarity and usefulness. User interface and app integration. The updated UI is cleaner and more user-friendly, and your walkthrough helps demystify the camera's features. Integration with the GoPro Quick app is seamless, allowing for quick transfers, edits, and cloud backup. Viewers will appreciate your tips on using the app to maximize workflow efficiency. Final verdict. Your video doesn't just review the Hero 13 Black, it shows its power. From adventure footage to thoughtful commentary, you give viewers a complete picture of what this camera is capable of. It's a well-structured, informative, and visually engaging review that answers the questions any potential buyer would have. Whether you're a seasoned action sport athlete or a casual traveler, this video convincingly makes the case that the GoPro Hero 13 Black is more than just a camera. It's an essential tool for capturing life at its most exhilarating. Rating: 9.5/10, a nearly flawless evolution in action camera tech, brilliantly captured and explained.